Yarn sensation. Just click on my yarn lady or click the subscribe button. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Yarn Sensation, and today we will be making a bow tie, and it is not just for hanging on. It has many uses, earrings, key rings, and much more. But don't worry, I will show you at the end of this video how I used it. You will need a 2.0 millimeter hook, a yarn needle, pair of scissors, superfine yarn, 1 ply, and you need a ruler. Start with a slip knot. You want to have a little tail at the end. We will use it to tie our piece together. Next, you want to chain 10. Once you have 10, you will slip stitch into that first chain. Next, you want to chain 2, and you will place a total of 20 double crochets into the center. Do not carry this tail. So just place 1 double crochet and continue on until you have 20. I am completing my last 2. Once you have 20, you want to join right between this chain 2 and that first double crochet. You want to chain 3. If you can, place your finger on that third chain and leave it there and chain 10 more. Once you have 10, you want to join in that 4th chain. That will be the chain right after where you're holding. Once you join, you want to chain 2. And you will place a total of 20 double crochets into this center. I am completing my last double crochet, and once again you just want to join in the space right after your chain 2. Once you do that, you want to chain 1 and you will cut your yarn. Remember to leave a little tail. Pull your yarn through, pull to tight. You want to turn your work, making sure that you are looking at the back side of your work. And you will take your 2 tails and you just want to tie them together about 2 or 3 times. I will be tying this one 3 times. Once you have tied it 3 times, turn it back over to the right side. And you will still have your 2 yarn tails. Grab your yarn needle and place 1 usually the one that's to the bottom, so the second one, you want to place that onto your yarn needle. Once you do that, you can just lay that to the side. We will just call it the 2 circles for right now. You want to grab your ruler and your yarn, and you just need to measure out 21 inches. Once you have that, just cut your yarn. Okay, take your yarn, and you just want to even the ends. Once you have them even, you just want to make one tie or one knot. And what I do is just hold the ends and push this up close as I can to the end and just make my little knot like that. And then you can take your scissors and just clip these 2 ends near the bottom, near that knot. Just leave those little ends. And next you just want to open this up, and I'm just holding it with both hands and just wrap it back around. And I made one wrap, and then just make a second wrap. And as you're looking at it, make sure that you have your knot in the center. Just like this. All I did was bring those 2 pieces together, and I have a loop on each side. Then I want my little circles, and I want to place it in the center, and I'm placing that knot into the center. Once you have that, grab this yarn needle, and the only thing you are doing is going through the bottom of each one of these circles, and I start to the bottom, and you want to just make sure that you are centered. Pull it up and go back through the top circle and pull it down. And just pull till it's tight. And you just want to repeat that 2 more times. Okay, once you have pulled it through, make sure that you are ending on the back side again, and you just want to take those 2 yarn tails and tie it again. Just do 2 to 3 knots. I will be doing 3 knots. And once you complete those knots, you just want to cut your yarn tails. Just cut right above that knot. Your cut will be fine, but you can always add glue to it or some clear nail polish for extra security. I think it'll be okay just like that. And once you turn it over, you have completed your little bow tie. So what I will do is show you little pictures of what I did with my bow tie, and feel free to be creative and use it for all the uses that you can find for it. Thanks.